For this portion, we only use the SDCC library. If we do not find enough articles, you speak to me, and then we will make a decision on what other avenues we will use. But you will use the library at SDCC to show mastery. A keyword is any word in any document that when you take out the word, it destroys the actual sentence. And it'll be discussed a little bit. This is the challenging part. You must watch the videos. The videos are in the lessons in Populi, and it's under important videos. The first step in the process is your key concept of your topic that you have chosen. That's where you start. And you have to understand that before you do anything else. Then we move into using ChatGTP to find keywords to go to the library. Remember, the keyword is the words that are extremely important, that guide and help to understand or are a part of the process of whatever your topic is. And you use ChatGTP to be efficient. Don't copy and paste, but you use it to be efficient. And here is an example of this process. Using ChatGPT is real easy. You can't copy and paste this, but you can use it almost like Wikipedia used to be. Most of the stuff is going to be right, but it's your responsibility to check up on it. Now look, okay? Please generate a 2-page paper on burnout. If I didn't know a lot about burnout, but that's what I want to work at, this is the place I'd start. But there are keywords in there. Okay? A keyword is anything you take out that destroys a sentence. So emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion. Those are 3 keywords. Prolonged stress. 4, overwhelmed. 5, emotionally drained. 6, meet constraint demands. 7, stress. We don't use stress again, but motivation, productivity, interest. There's consequences. Let's see, hopelessness, detached from work, cynical. These are all keywords that you can search in the library. Now, my next one up is going to be please give me 20 researchable keywords for the topic of burnout. That was pretty simple. Burnout syndrome, workplace burnout, occupational stress. Now, you might not be able to do occupational, but stress is still a word. Job dissatisfaction. It could be, if you're looking at sport dissatisfaction, prevention, teacher burnout. There are a lot of them. Chronic stress would be a better one. Risk factors, physical symptoms of burnout. Okay? You don't have to use all the words. So if I was to rechange this, I changed on it what I really was looking for in my topic. Okay? But now I can take those words and now I can go to the library. So my paper that it wrote for me, gives me a background, but I can just take words from there, which are probably better than these words right here. But the idea here is if we search our brain to find it, we take forever. If we use the apparatuses that are made for this, because if you put it into Google and you do the Google, you got to go through 50,000 things. This is right in front of you, and you're speeding up and you're being more efficient. Okay, so this is the point where you've chosen your main topic. Now you got to go to the library and find stuff. So I can print this out and I can just start marking things off, and I can ask it again, maybe in a different way, and get some more. I can even break it down to is explain and define burnout syndrome. You see how much stuff you're getting? Okay, gives you definitions, but you need to take those definitions. You need to go to the library and get it. Now, see, this is my author in this area, so this is perfect. Causes for it: excessive workload or overworked, or it is insufficient rewards. You're looking for things in the library, and when you piece it together and you do it correctly, you almost are assured of being excellent in your work, and it won't take you that long. Once you have the keywords, now you go to the library and you put it in the search engine, and whatever that word is. So if I put burnout in there, that's one of the topics below. Okay, so I can put topic number 1 and change that to burnout. And then I find 3 quantitative articles, which you have to watch the types of articles video to get the right articles, or it's going to take you forever. Okay. The second one, then I move into the next one, which is I take another keyword that I think is important, and I'm going to find 3 quantitative articles. So let's say I take emotional exhaustion or overworked or helicopter parent or whatever. I put that in topic number 2, and then I break down and I find 3 quantitative articles on that. If it's not quantitative, I keep moving. If it's not on the topic, I keep moving. That's the challenging part. You've got to go through the library and find these articles, which means you have to go through a whole bunch of words. But you also have to watch the library video, which will show you how to save every article you touch, which is probably one of the most key elements to doing the second half of your paper. If you want to go weak on this, feel free, but I'm going to tell you that you are going to struggle for the rest of the semester. You've got to do things correctly. These are turning into annotated bibliographies, which is a whole nother section. All you're doing is finding 15 articles. Follow what it says on the library, okay? I'm not going through it on this video. It's already a video out there for it, okay? Do this, and you will be very successful in the class. Then when you post them, if they're quantitative and they work, I put them in there. It's not an exact science. You're not looking for articles with 3 and 4 studies in them. You want very simple, simplistic, straight to the point, to your topic, quantitative articles. It's going to have stats in it. But then I'm going to fill all of those slots, the topic 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, with 3 articles. I'm going to post that in. They're going to get approved. You do your citation page, and there's a specific way to do the citation page for this. Once that citation page is done, all you have to do is copy and paste the main citations in. They've already been approved by me. And these articles are the ones you're doing for your annotated bibs. You're not going out to find anymore. So if you get the 15, you get them approved, you just do your first 2, then you do the next, and you do the next, and you do the next. And it's going to be extremely, very, very smooth for you. Okay? This is what you're going to do in the library. So watch this video again. Make sure you understand it. Ask questions. Call me if you have any problems, and we will work together to get this done.